Okay, so with this error like that we have right here, this is the error, this is what is complaining. So all we need to do, we go to our build Gradle, and then this is the file that we need to change. So here, depending on what will work for you, so this is one that I needed to fix. So maybe if you have another option, if you guys have other ideas on why or how to resolve this issue without updating the build Gradle, feel free to share. So let's try it once more. Let's go to Android and then Gradle, we clean. Okay, so it seems everything is okay. So we go back and then we run our Android once more, and then we should see this hopefully fixed. So yes, that is okay so far. Yeah, so far so good. And then you'll see all the other things that we installed, they are being added. So let me know a fix or a permanent fix that you can think of about the NDK error. It's good to share, so you can share and we can actually compare notes, and that way we get to learn and grow together. Yeah, okay, let's wait for this one to finish so that at least we get to the end of this session. Yep. Okay, so far it seems it worked and it's okay. And yes, so we have all okay, good.